Let's be real, crochet isn't just grandma hobby anymore, it's a multi-million-dollar aesthetic right now. On Etsy and Shopify, handmade home is speaking. And blankets are the undisputed crown jewels. But here's the catch, the market is too crowded to sell out. To stand out, you can't just buy blanket, you have to sell a vibe. Today I am walking you through high demanding design concepts that are moving units right now. Plus the secret sauce to make these into your listing irresistible. If you haven't got a hook and a dream, let's turn that yarn stash into a storefront. First up, the modern heirloom. We are seeing a massive surgence of the grandma miniline style. This isn't the neon crunchy acrylic of 70s. We are talking sophisticated color stories. Think oversized granny squares joined with crisp cream borders. Use natural fibers like cotton blend and a bamboo. Position these as a future heirloom. People aren't buying a blanket, they are buying the item their grandkids will fight over. Use words like timeless, organic, and bespoke in your description. Next, let's talk texture, the cloud touch. The cloud touch aesthetic in a world of digital screens. People are craving tactile comfort. Chanel and velvet yarn are dominating Shopify right now because they look incredibly expensive on camera. Focus on simple stitches like half double crochet to let the yarn sheen do the work. The blankets photograph like stream. If you can capture that squish factor in a short clip video for your Etsy listing, you have already won the half battle. If your target audience is more architectural digest than a category, the geometric minimalism your bread and butter. Mosaic crochet is a game changer here. It looks complex and high end, but it's essentially just strategic color changes. Stick to the neutral, charcoals, oatmeals, and slate blues. These are perfect for Shopify lifestyle brands market them as the modern sofa throw. They appeal to men, corporate gifting, and minimalism decorators usually find crochet too fuzzy. Before we hit our final design, let's talk shop. You can have the most beautiful blanket in the world, but if your lighting is bad, it won't sell. Shoot near a window, its natural light is the king. Don't just take photos of the blanket on bed, drape it over a chair with a steaming mug of tea nearby. On Etsy, your about section matters. Tell them how many hours of love went into those stitches. Whether it's the vintage charm of the granny squares or the sleek lines of a mosaic throw, your work has value.